In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in ClickUp. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp login page. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, look for the option to continue with Google. Click that to use your Google account for a quick sign-in. A small window may appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the one tied to your ClickUp access, and if prompted, confirm any permissions. If you normally sign in a different way, that's fine. Just log in as you usually do so you can get into your workspace. Once you're in ClickUp, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct workspace and space where you want your folder to live. In ClickUp, workspaces contain spaces, and spaces contain folders and lists. On the left-hand sidebar, hover your mouse over the space where you want to add the folder. When you hover, a small plus icon appears. Click that plus icon to reveal creation options, and choose Folder. This tells ClickUp you want to add a new folder inside that specific space, which helps keep related lists and tasks grouped together. A creation panel or dialog will open. Type the name of your folder. Clear, consistent names make a huge difference later, so you might include a team, project, or time frame in the title. For example, Marketing Campaign Q1 or Client Onboarding. Keep it short but descriptive enough that anyone on your team instantly understands what belongs inside. Next, add a description. This is a great place to capture the purpose of the folder, what kinds of lists or tasks it will contain, and any guidelines for how your team should use it. Think of the description as a quick orientation note for collaborators who might join later. It's optional, but adding context here can prevent confusion and reduce back and forth messages. When you're happy with the name and description, click Create. ClickUp will add the folder under the space you selected, and you'll see it appear in the sidebar. From here, you can open the folder and continue organizing your work by adding lists and tasks inside it. If you don't see the folder after creating it, try refreshing the page or checking that you're still viewing the same space. If the option to create a folder doesn't appear when you hover, you may not have the necessary permissions in that space, so reach out to your workspace admin. That's it, your new ClickUp folder is ready to use and organize your projects more effectively.